So there's kind of two sides to powder coating that I think people don't realize. There's the cool wheels and the more mundane wheels. And then you get your kind of mildly cool wheels. These. Or these. And the other ones that get a little more street cred, like these, like that. But then sometimes you get wheels like these that are instant street cred. And unfortunately, I don't get to do stuff like this too often, but it is always cool when you get an iconic wheel such as this. We're going to take these from being a little more mundane to something a little more interesting. These are going on a Chaser, and may also be on a MK4 Super at some point, maybe. So we're going to do these a gray color. So I already got 3 of these apart. We got to pop this one apart and then get them all stripped and ready to go. So we had a couple casualties, unfortunately. Some of these bolts broke. They're little, like M6 bolts. The corrosion was just too much and they broke. There's one of them. So I got to get 2 bolts for these. Not a big deal. Got them all apart. I got to get these bolts out, and then it's time to hammer the face out. The faces usually are pretty thick, so we'll see. So I am going to throw these bolts in an ultrasonic cleaner. You can see like they have like thread locker and anti-seize and corrosion and whatever else on them. So we're going to dump these in my Harbor Freight ultrasonic cleaner. I made a video about that before. It works pretty well for getting all the extra junk off the wheels, or off the bolts. And obviously when you're reassembling with old bolts, you want good clean threads so you don't break anything and you get a good torque reading. So it's just ripping away. It's already did one 5-minute cycle. That is just regular hot tap water with a splash of Purple Power and Dawn dish soap. It works. It cleans stuff up really well. All the bolts out of the ultrasonic cleaner, and we have the base coat down on the last 2 faces. So right now I'm putting together one of the fronts, I guess. Yeah, it's a front high disc, smaller barrel. So yeah, this is my favorite part. It just takes forever, and I forgot to do it before I bolted the face in. I'm running taps through the bolts that go in rearward from the face. Those guys right there. So obviously I did vacuum the whole thing, but it doesn't get the stuff out of the bolt holes. And even if it did, I run taps through everything anyway. The blasting media, the sludge from the strip tank, all that kind of stuff just builds up in there. And especially with a bolt that small, you might break it. You'll have a lot of resistance putting it in. It's safer to just run the tap through it, but do it while it's out of the barrel. Don't be a dumbass like me. together. Got the tires on. They're done. They're ready for pickup. They look so good. So much better than they did when they were black. I'm kind of surprised. I didn't think it would be that drastic a change, but it is. Looks like completely different.